Hello everyone, and today we are going to be making some chopped fruits with some orange juice. So these fruits has a lot of vitamins and they're very nice for you and they're just very healthy. So now we're going to be telling you all the ingredients. So first step is 1 apple, 2 oranges, 2 bananas, 1 pear, some black salt to put on top of your fruits, and finally some orange juice. So now we are going to be adding all of these fruits into this bowl. So first we're going to be adding all the pears. Now we're going to be adding the bananas. Now we're going to be adding some oranges. And finally, last but not least, we're going to be adding some apples. And now we're going to mix all the fruits very well, that way they are all mixed. So, let's go ahead and just mix this. And I'm going to just go like this. Okay. Now we're going to be adding these flavorings to our bowl. So first we have a chaat masala. This is called in Indian, and it's just very good for your flavor in your fruits. Then we have black salt. This is very good for your digestion and it gives your recipe a good flavoring. So we add 2 shakes of this as well. Now we're going to mix again. That way all the And now we're going to be adding some orange juice into this empty glass. And that's it. That's our healthy snack for everyone. And now thanks for listening, and thanks for listening to my video and viewing it. Have a good day and stay safe. Thank you.